Hey tubers, it's the 29th of November. Just doing a little bit of updates. Got the racks painted on a figurehead. Me and my buddy were doing that last night. I'll just take this off, see what she looks like. At least never got no overspray. I'll get all the rest of that later. Suppose you guys want to see a cold start. I haven't had it going since early before supper yesterday. See if the battery's still charged. Not bad. Oh well, she's cold. Anyway, I just want to give a couple of updates. My tires are coming in tomorrow and that, and yeah, have a good one, tubers.